Hey there car enthusiasts and model builders. Today we're taking a look at one of the most iconic and legendary race cars that ever hit the track, the Porsche 917. Now unfortunately I don't have the full-sized car myself, I wish I did, but I do have the next best thing, the latest 1/8 scale model from Pocher, the Porsche 917K in Golf livery. But before we look at the features of the model itself, we want to take a brief look at the history of this iconic and legendary race car. The concept behind the Porsche 917 was nothing short of outrageous. Imagine this, building not one but 25 Le Mans Challengers at a massive expense just to qualify for sports car status and dodge a 3.0 litre prototype limit. And what did Porsche achieve? A 4.5 to 5 litre monster, the largest capacity air-cooled race car ever, which made every other prototype at the time look like they were standing still. Of course, it's not all about power. Sure, the 917 was a bit of an unyielding beast, but by 1970 it was tamed and ready to take on the world, and take on the world it did. For 2 incredible seasons, the Porsche 917 dominated the competition, winning race after race, including back-to-back victories at the 24 Hours of Le Mans in 1970 and 1971. This car was so fast, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour, that it was literally deemed too fast by the rule makers. They eventually banned large capacity race cars from endurance racing. So what did Porsche do? They took the 917 to America, of course, turbocharged it and absolutely shattered the competition there too. The 917 we're talking about with this model is the 1971 Golf liveried 917K, driven by motorsport legend Derek Bell and Joe Seffert. This car took second place at the 1,000 km Monza, right behind its sister Porsche 917K. If you're a fan of legendary race cars and in particular the 917, then this kit is perfect for you. This model is composed of 312 meticulously crafted parts. Pocher has gone above and beyond to ensure that this replica mirrors the aura of the original car. Constructed from premium materials like die-cast zinc, ABS plastic, rubber and textiles, this model is a true collector's dream. From the accurate chassis to the finely detailed interior, every part of this kit is designed with authenticity and detail in mind. And with unique tooling developed over 2 years, Pocher is the only model kit brand to replicate the 1971 specification with the iconic vertical tail fins. And the best part, it's a complete kit. With an estimated build time of 30 hours, you can take as little or as long as you like. It's just about enjoying it. The model includes moving parts like the bonnet, clamshell, wheels, doors and suspension. This model brings the Porsche 917K to life in a way that is truly unmatched. Hey, look, don't just take my word for it. The legendary driver of the 917 in 1971, Derek Bell, had this to say about the model. The Porsche 917 is a car that personally means a great deal to me, and I was thrilled when Pocher chose it for their next big launch. The attention to detail and craftsmanship in the Pocher Porsche 917 model is astonishing. It truly captures the spirit and essence of a car that I once drove. I feel anyone with a love for motorsport and cars will appreciate the dedication and precision that has gone into creating this remarkable replica. A masterpiece of motorsport history, beautifully crafted in this Pocher model. If you're passionate about racing, model making, or finely crafted models, then this Porsche 917 is perfect for your collection. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and of course subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our content. In the comments, we'd love to know what you think of the Porsche 917 and of course our Pocher model kit, so let us know. Until next time, from everyone here at Pocher, enjoy the build.